hopefully it's going to taste amazing. Now it's time to taste test the Reese's Pieces cake. And my dad's cutting me a slice.
Go.
Now we're testing the cake.
It's looking good there. It's a bit hard. Left it in the fridge for too long. See the peanut butter there. And the little Reese's Pieces in between. What do you think, Amara?
I think it's amazing.
Out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Well done. So here we have it from the inside. You can see you've got the layered Oreos, then the peanut butter and the chocolate on top, the little Reese's Pieces. Lovely jubbly.